I'm here at a major nursery. I'm trying to find some plants that'll do really well at Judas. And to help me with that is the expert Blaze. Blaze, how you doing?
Roger, how you doing today?
So tell me what you got here.
This is all South Florida type product that we bring in. We do black pepper, we do coffee, pineapples.
Now, what climate is Judith's yard?
She's zone hardy 8 to 10, so everything in here would do all right, either in a pot or in the ground.
Boy, you got a lot of plants in here.
Oh yeah, 7-day-a-week job here, Roger. So one of the things that we talked about for Judith was this is a Calathea Orange. You'll pretty much see this fruit almost year-round on this tree, and as they get more ripe, the rind will get more orange, the fruit will get softer, and it'll get sweeter tasting.
Oh, so it's edible?
Oh yeah, it's great for her area. The only thing is that they recommend that when it's a younger tree, it may be a little more susceptible to some of that periodic, temperature dip there. So as long as she just covers it with like a sheet or some kind of other plant protection, she'll be okay with it. Great in a pot or even in the ground.
What are all these white flowers over here?
This is Meyer Lemon.
Meyer Lemon.
Yep. Something we ship all the way up into Boston and other parts of New England, all over the country. You'll get these flower once or twice a year. And then from there, you're going to go ahead, it'll actually set the fruit. So that's the beginning of the lemon. And then eventually what you end up with is you get this. This is a Meyer Lemon, Roger, and this is what you find in the grocery store right here.
Wow, look at that. What a difference in size, huh?
Nice and sweet, nice and sour.
This is sweet?
Oh yeah, let me tell you, I got a glass of lemonade over there for you too, if you want to try.
I'll give it a shot.
Yep. No sugar, just Meyer Lemon and water.
That's good.
Yep, that's good stuff.
So, what else you got?
Well, I got another greenhouse over here with a few other neat things to show you. This is bougainvillea. You see a lot of beautiful specimens around the Charleston area. We've got needle palms here, which is a good foundation plant, again, to give you that tropical feel. Another one is, this is tropical hibiscus. Comes in red, pinks, yellows. Really nice plant. This is shrub form. And then the one Judith had mentioned, the Japanese loquat, or Japanese plum.
It turns into a pretty big tree.
About 25 feet or so. There's a couple nice ones still in Charleston. Here's all the different bananas we grow here. Dwarf plantains, Cavendish, ice cream, Bajou, which is cold hardy all the way up to Massachusetts. I think it can take up to -10 degrees. The big difference being whether they want just a straight green leaf or you want some kind of variation in color just for some different character. Something I think Judith will really like that's of interest is this is actually cold hardy tea. They make tea out of the leaves. So not only do you get the ability to make your own tea, but you get the beautiful white flower. And in Charleston, they still have a tea plantation producing this for the commercial markets.
Thanks for all the great information. I think we should put a list together, get it to Judith, and have her send us her final list, and then get the plants on the job.
All right, well, as soon as you get it to me, I'll get it out to you in 24 hours.
24/7?
You got it.
You work a lot.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.